right, so here's a fun fact for you. There's roughly 300 minutes of YouTube content loaded up. Someone uploading a video. 300 minutes every second. So, thank you very much for watching my content. Being that there's so much, in the minute it took me to tell you that. What is that? 18,000 minutes of content. I mean, something silly. How do they store all that content? The memory. Huh. Boy, if I keep pulling these staples out, I'm gonna pull the house down. So I've got the house wrap or vapor barrier that I'm going to put around the door, and then I'm going to put the trim back up and a little bit of caulking because this black bag doesn't need to be flapping around. And and that's that. No. Hey YouTube, it's Sean with YouTube Pays My Mortgage. Happy Christmas Eve, Merry Christmas Eve. So hope everybody's having a good holiday. And I'm here working on the money pit. I'm gonna finish the exterior part of the French door. I've got some vapor barrier to go around the door that we installed. Then I'll put the trim pieces back up. As long as they'll stay, the house is so dang rotted that I'll get lucky. Maybe I'll just have to wish that it sticks. So anyways, let's do a little bit of that. This great stuff foam or whatever has had plenty of time to harden up. Might need to sand it in a few spots. We'll see. The trim board still goes on, plus the brick mold. I don't know that I'm going to put the brick mold on because I feel like that is just a way to catch the water, especially on the top of the door. We'll see. I'll have to take a look at it. But we definitely got the vapor barrier to put in, and I still need to dry in the very top of the French door up there. Kind of like I put the foam around the two sides. I need to dry up the top. Okay, well, what do we have done as far as Christmas Eve 2023? So I got the bathroom floor completely subfloored. You can't even tell where the seam is. I pretty much nailed that. I got the first layer of fireboard up on the wall. It had 1/2 inch and I have 1/4 inch. So I got to put double sheets. That was a little harder to line up than I thought. I thought I'd get all these cutouts just right. I had it laid out on a table and had all my markings, 12 inches down, 8 inches over. And, nothing is square. So it was close. Now the second sheet, I'll get a little bit better. And then drywall over that. Getting this floor in was tougher than I thought. I had to remove the trim around the door just to get it to slide in just right and go around that pipe and so on. But I got it. That gap right there, the baseboard will cover all that stuff. So we're golden, golden, golden. And then outside, I got the newly installed French doors. I guess we'll call it dried in for the exterior. Okay, guys. Hey, thank you. I appreciate it. And how come I can never look at this thing? Okay, guys. Hey, thank you. I appreciate it. Hope everybody has a good Christmas tomorrow. And until next time, you'll see me here. Like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. That's the best way to support me.